Hi everyone, in today's presentation we'll be exploring what is meant by information systems and how it supports strategic and operational decision making. So what is an information system? An information system, or IS, collects, processes, stores and distributes data to help people and organizations make better decisions. All have these six components: hardware, the physical equipment such as servers, computers, and devices that are used to run the system. For EFEE, cloud service connects all four organizations together due to the distance between them. Software includes the applications run on the computer system such as CRM and ERP that process and display data. Data, the raw information that is stored in the system, which includes customer records, subscription data, stock counts, and sale figures. People, this includes the staff, managers, and customers who use and maintain the system. IT teams and end users are essential for all businesses. Processes, these are the rules and workflows governing how data flows. For example, we teachers order approval workflow. Networks includes the internet and intranet connections linking EFEE's offices in Denmark, Bosnia, Spain, and Finland. Moving on to strategic information systems, this includes the following. So we have business intelligence systems. This type of information system analyzes historical and real-time data from across the organization, then presents the insights as dashboards, charts, and reports. BI helps executives determine what is happening, why it's happening, and what we should do next. For example, the FEE's senior leadership would use BI dashboards to monitor software subscription growth across Denmark, and then to identify which web-wide science topics have the highest learning drop-off rates. This helps form decisions on where to invest in new content development. Customer relationship management. This type of information system captures customers' interactions, purchase history, and preferences into one platform. This helps to strategically reveal which customer base is growing, where selling opportunities arise, helping align products with market needs. For example, HubSpot CRM analyzes and reveals that teachers who use web-wide science platforms also frequently purchase We Teach history books. This opens up a strategic cross-selling opportunity where EFEE can act on with targeted marketing. Executive support systems. This information system provides senior executives with a high-level dashboard of the organization's KPIs, which promotes profitability, customer growth, market share, and operational performance. This ensures that strategic decisions are based on the current data. Enterprise resource planning systems. This type of information system integrates all core business functions into one platform. This includes finance, HR, sales, operations, and supply chain. Transaction. Moving on to strategic information system. Information system allows for leaders to model different scenarios and evaluate potential outcomes. These are particularly valuable for complex, unstructured decisions where there is no obvious decision, therefore, multiple options must be compared. An example of this is the EFEE's board using a DSS to model what would happen to revenues if they entered the Polish education market. By running the best case, most likely, and worst case scenarios, we are able to come to an understanding of the impacts before making any financial commitment. Knowledge management systems. This information system captures and shares expertise across the organization. For EFEE, the integrated information system allows the board to review results from past products and apply them to future strategic decisions. Transaction processing systems. Records and processes every financial and operation transaction: orders, payments, subscription renewals, payroll updates accurately and in real time without manual intervention. Inventory management systems track stock levels in real time, monitor sales trends, and automatic triggers reorder alerts when stock drops below a set threshold, preventing both shortages and overstocking. Supply chain management systems manages the end-to-end flow of goods from raw materials through manufacturing, warehousing, and delivery to the customers. Operational customer services. On operational level, CRM helps customer service teams manage support tickets, track open issues, and access the full interaction history of each customer, enabling faster, more personalized resolution. HR management systems manages payroll, staff schedules, performance reviews, and training records across all four organizations, enabling HR managers to identify skill gaps, manage headcount, and comply with local employment law in Denmark, Bosnia, Spain, and Finland. Key benefits of information systems for decision making. Information systems deliver many benefits for decision making in both strategic and operational contexts. These include improved customer service, as a unified CRM means that every customer receives consistent and personalized services regardless of the organization use. This results in higher customer retention and customer loyalty. Better strategic decisions. BI and DSS both provide evidence based insight, therefore, EFE's boards can model scenarios before investing capital. This greatly reduces the risk in strategic decisions. Greater operational efficiency. TPS and IMS automate routine tasks, which cuts processing times and human errors made by staff. Cost reduction. A shared IS platform eliminates a duplication where one CRM license, one KMS, and one IT support overhead instead of four would be used, which allows for saving to be made across every system for all businesses. Competitive advantage. Easy and flexible access to real time data means EFEE can react to market changes faster than competitors. This is key when there is a spike in demand for WebWise or a new bulk opportunity for little computing. Data security and accuracy. A modern IS includes encryption, role based access controls, and accurate audit logs. This results in protected sensitive data, ensuring that the information used for decision making and analysis is reliable and relevant. The power of scenario testing and projection models. So, what is scenario testing? Scenario testing, which is also called what if analysis, involves changing one or more variables in a data model to see how the projected outcome changes. For example, DSS and BI platforms allow leaders to run multiple scenarios side by side, such as the best case, most likely, and worst case scenarios. This allows for evidence based decisions rather than an assumption, allowing for more active simulations for strategies. The example above shows that how there is a 1.5 million euro gap between the best and worst case, which highlights the importance of making decisions on assumptions along due to the large financial difference. This equally shows how important scenario testing is, as it first removes any biases to assess the best case and worst case accurately. This includes any favoritism and personal gain. Another importance of scenario testing is that it enables EFEE to plan in advance on low risk decisions before committing to anything yet. Thirdly, presenting scenario testing and projection models demonstrates diligence, which increases the confidence of investors and stakeholders, which increases economic growth and opportunity. Therefore, scenario testing eliminates uncertainty around decisions and makes evidence based strategies possible.